We're in Sedona, Arizona. That's my mom in the back.
Hello.
My mom. This is the mother of my children. Child. And that's my child in the back.
Hello.
It's all about me today. It's my mom, my wife, my child. Because it's my birthday tomorrow. Woo!
So I'm going to show you a little around our place. First of all, it's like in suburban. Yeah, it's suburban. And then it's in the mountains. My two favorite things. I grew up in suburbia, so I know it's boring to some people, but we love it. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Jennifer. Welcome to Flagstaff, Arizona.
Good morning. Sedona's neat because there's this path that's pretty straightforward, not too many hills.
It's called Red Rock Loop. Basically, you start off the State Route 89 and you keep going, and it's a big old loop that goes up and down. It's all paved road, so it's nothing crazy, and it's about a 7-mile loop.
Really pretty.
Yeah.
Highly recommended.
It's the day after my birthday, and Jen is trying to surprise me.
I'm trying to. I pretty much am.
I think I have an idea of what we're doing. I think we're going dune buggying or zip lining. If I'm right, we'll find out in this next sequence. So we made it, and it is the Sedona Off-Road Adventures Jeep Tours. Well done, babe.
Okay, this is a special birthday today for
Rahul.
Rahul. All right, here you go. Everybody sing for Rahul.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rahul. Happy birthday to you. Yeah.
Hey.
Wait, how do you pronounce it?
Tilaquaquaque.
Well, look at the rugs on.